The Honorable Ms. Nurul Apiatena, the lecturer of third semester academic speaking class. Dear ladies and gentlemen, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for being here today. It's such a pleasure to have this opportunity to speak in front of you. Today, I would like to share a presentation based on an article titled Factors Influencing EFL Student Motivation in Online Learning, a qualitative case study, written by Ezra Messe and Chigdem Sevilan. This research was published in 20 and 21. I have organized my presentation into three main sections. The first one is the introduction, the second one is the methods of research, and the last one is the finding and conclusion. Without any further delay, let us proceed to the first section, the introduction. This research focuses on a very relevant issue: how student motivation change when English learning shift from traditional classroom to online environment. As we all know, motivation is one of the core elements that determines language learning success. So, understanding how it is affected online becomes very important. The study was conducted during the COVID-19 pandemic, a period when schools in Turkey were suddenly forced to move all English classes online. This rapid transition created many uncertainties, especially regarding how students responded emotionally and academically to the new mode of learning. The study aimed to explore student perception of online learning and examine how this environment influenced their motivation throughout a 7-week course. In the other words, the research want to understand not only what students felt, but also why they felt that way. Having presented the introduction, the focus will now shift to the method of study. To achieve, the researchers used a qualitative case study approach. This method allowed them to capture students' authentic experience and interpret their thoughts in a more detailed and human-centered way. The participants were 12 university students from a private university in Turkey, all enrolled in an online English preparatory program. Half of them were from the intermediate level and the other half from the pre-intermediate level. It is important to note that none of these students had previous experience with online language learning, meaning they were encountering this format for the first time. For data collection, the researcher used two main sources. First, they conducted semi-structured interview at the end of the 7-week course, allowing students to speak openly about their challenges and feelings. Second, they analyzed creative writing assignment that students completed in the 4th week. This writing asks students to describe the advantages and disadvantages of online learning. Together, these two data resources provide a rich set of perspectives. The researcher then analyzed the data using thematic analysis, which help identify recurring ideas and patterns in student responses. After learning about the methods of research, let's go to the last session, the finding and conclusion. The finding revealed the student motivation in online learning is influenced by two broad categories: internal factors and external factors. Internal factors come from within the student themselves. Many students expressed dissatisfaction with the course content, saying it did not fully match their expectation, especially for a language program. They also highlighted a strong need for communication. Nothing that they miss social interaction and emotional support from classmates. Another major internal factor was self-regulation. Several students admitted that studying from home made it much harder for them to stay disciplined, focused, and consistent in attending the classes. External factors, on the other hand, related to the environment and the learning condition around the students. Teacher-related issues were mentioned frequently. Student motivation depended heavily on teachers' feedback, teaching style, and presence during online lessons. When the interaction felt limited, students felt less encouraged to participate. Classmates also play a significant role. Low attendance and lack of group engagement made the learning atmosphere feel less dynamic. Organizational problems, such as voluntary attendance and mixing students of different proficiency levels in one group, also affected motivation negatively. Finally, situational problems like noise at home, internet instability, or lack of a proper study space created additional barrier to staying motivated. In conclusion, this study showed that maintaining motivation in online EFL learning is far more complex than simply moving lessons to a digital platform. Students' motivation is shaped by a combination of internal struggles such as self-discipline and expectation, and external challenges such as teacher interaction, peer involvement, and home environment. The researcher highlighted that for online learning to be effective, educators and institutions need to design courses that are engaging, interactive, and well organized. They also emphasize the importance of strong teacher presence and meaningful feedback, as well as support system that help students develop better self-regulation skills. With these improvements, online learning can become a more motivating and rewarding experience for students. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.